Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pooja. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look you see. This is a beautiful soft look with coral red lipstick. This look would be perfect for those of you who love wearing red lipsticks or for those of you who want to draw a little attention to your lips. If you're seeing me for the first time, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any future uploads from me. For primer, I'm going to go with Master Prime from Maybelline. I'm taking a very little amount and applying it on the areas where I tend to get oily and have larger pores. I'm dotting it all over my face and then blending it with my fingers. For priming my eyes, I'm using Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer. I apply it all over my eyes and blend it with a concealer brush. Then for setting the concealer, I'm taking MAC Studio Fix Compact and applying it all over my eyes. For eyeshadows, I'm using Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'm taking the shade Desert Sand as my transition shade. Then I'm taking the shade Eden and applying it at the crease, blending it with the transition shade. Moving on to the next palette, I'm using NYX Ultimate Brights palettes and taking that dusty pink shade and applying it at the outer corners of my eyes. Also, when there is very little product left on the brush, I'm dragging the same brush all the way towards my inner corners. I'm gonna darken the shade at the outer corners till I'm satisfied with the intensity of the pink. Lastly, I'm taking the shade Nefertiti from the Desert Dusk palette and applying it on the centers of my eyes. For foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation. Now this is a high coverage foundation. You can tone it down by mixing it either with a facial oil or a moisturizer. In today's look, I mixed it with a facial oil and I have used about 1 pump, and that's really all I need to cover my face. For concealer today, I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is a beautiful concealer and I absolutely love this. I'm taking about 1 pump of it and that much is enough to conceal all the areas. You don't want to use more product around your eyes, otherwise you're running the risk of your under eyes looking cakey. For setting my base in place, I'm using Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder from Maybelline and I'm applying it all over my face, dusting off the excess with a powder brush. For my brows, I'm using PAC Eyebrow Cake. I'm gonna mix the first 2 shades from the pan and I'm using it to fill in the gaps. I'm using the brush which comes along with the palette, which is quite thick. Then I'm switching to an angled brush to create hair-like strokes in a precise manner. For my liner, I'm using Glossboss 24 Hours eyeliner from Sugar and I'm gonna draw a basic eyeliner. Then I popped on false eyelashes from Euro Paris in the variant 54. These lashes are quite basic, they are just there to add a little length and volume to my original lashes. For my mascara, I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Mascara and I'm coating my falsies and lashes with it. I'm applying I Am Bold Black Kajal from Nykaa in my waterline. Once that's done, I go back to the NYX palette to pick up the same pink shade. Now you have to blend these two to get a softer diffused look. For flushed cheeks, I'm taking the Color Bar blush in Everything Rosy and applying it on my cheeks. You have to go light-handed with this blush as this is super pigmented. Always dust off the excess before applying it directly onto the face. For bronzing my face, I'm using Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. I'm just gonna apply it on the hollows of my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead. And to contour my nose, I'm taking an eye brush because that's gonna give me more control over the product. For highlighter, I'm using this limited edition extra dimension highlighter from MAC in the shade Whisper of Guilt. It's a beautiful golden highlighter and I'm applying it on all the high points of my face. Finally, coming to the lipstick, I chose the perfect color from L'Oreal Liquid Lipstick collection called I Am Worth It. First, I have lined my lips with a red lip liner which increases the lasting power of the lipstick. Then I'm applying the lipstick to complete the look. I'm following the natural contours of my lip, but for those of you who have thinner lips, you can overline them a bit to create fuller lips. Now that we are done with everything, I used the Prep Plus Prime Spray from MAC and spread it over my face. This is going to set all the makeup in place and also going to increase its longevity. This is the final result, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a big thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments which look you want to see next. If you recreate this look, do not forget to tag me in your pictures and videos. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye!